Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Daal ke mini samosa. To make filling for these samosa, we have soaked a quarter cup of moong holi dal, that is skinless split green lentils, for 4 hours and then drained. Put a pan or skillet over medium heat with 1 tablespoon ghee or cooking oil in it. Add a pinch of hing, that is asafoetida, and 1 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds. Stir to splutter for few seconds, then add soaked and drained lentils into pan. Roast while stirring frequently for 15 to 20 minutes, or until moisture evaporates completely and color of lentils is changed. Reduce heat to low, then add 2 teaspoon coarsely ground coriander seeds, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon or to taste of red chili powder or paprika, half teaspoon or to taste of salt, half teaspoon or to taste of amchur, that is dried mango powder, and 2 teaspoon coarsely ground saunf, that is fennel seeds. Use of coarsely ground spices enhances the taste of filling. Stir and roast for a couple of minutes on low heat. Taste and adjust the seasonings of filling at this stage. Add whatever is required and stir well to mix and roast further for half a minute, then turn off the heat and set aside to cool. In the meanwhile, when lentils are cooling, let's prepare dough for samosa. Take 1 cup all-purpose flour in a parrot or large bowl. Add in quarter teaspoon salt and 2 or 3 teaspoon of ghee or 2 tablespoon of cooking oil also. If ghee is melted, then add in 2 tablespoon. Though you may use ghee or oil at this stage, but use of ghee is recommended to add into flour, as it will turn samosa into better crunch. First mix with your fingers, then start adding very little water at a time and knead into dough. Add just enough water required to knead tight dough. Knead for 6 to 8 minutes or until dough is smooth. Apply little oil with your fingers all around the dough ball to coat it evenly with oil, then cover with damp cloth and leave for 15 to 20 minutes to set. Add cooled spicy lentils into your dry spice grinder, reserving 2 teaspoon roasted lentils in a bowl. Grind remaining lentils coarsely. Do not grind into fine powder. Transfer ground lentils into a bowl and add reserved unground lentils also in it. Mix well. It is pithi or stuffing for samosas ready. Keep aside for a while. Dough has also rested enough by now. Knead it again for 3 to 4 minutes, then divide it into small puri size roundels. Grease your rolling plate or board and rolling pin with melted ghee or cooking oil and roll each dough roundel into thin puri shape. Roll as thin as you can. Do not make thick puris. Cut rolled puri into 2 equal halves. Pick 1 half onto your fingers of one hand and run other hand's wet index finger along the cut side edge of half. Bring 2 opposite corners together, overlapping one another, and gently press to seal the seam, forming a small dough cone. Hold the cone in your lap, keeping seam side facing towards you, and stuff the cone with 1 teaspoon pithi, that is spiced lentils filling. Run a wet finger along the top edge from inside and gently press the wet top edge with your thumb and finger to seal it completely. You may stretch and twist the joined top a bit to seal it completely if like to. Roll and fill more samosas with remaining material. Put a wok or pan over medium-low heat with enough ghee or cooking oil in it to heat. Drop a tiny piece of dough in oil to check whether it is heated through. Drop stuffed samosa into hot oil in batches 1 by 1 and reduce the heat immediately to lowest setting. Fry at low heat while turning sides frequently for 15 to 20 minutes. Frying at low heat is a must for nice and crispy samosas. Fry until golden on all sides. Drain golden fried samosas onto paper towel lined plate. You may store and consume these Daal ke samosa up to a month. Serve as and when required. Enjoy. How did you like this recipe? Please write your views in comments column below. Your feedback means a lot to us. Thanks for watching.